Ever been told to compromise your faith or face the consequences? What if standing firm leads to the impossible? King Nebuchadnezzar built a golden statue. Bow down or burn. Everyone bowed, except 3 Hebrew teenagers. "We will not serve your gods," they declared. The king exploded with rage. "Heat the furnace 7 times hotter." They threw them in, fully clothed, tied up. But the king gasped, "I see 4 men walking in the fire, unbound, unharmed." The 4th looked like a son of the gods. When they came out, not even the smell of smoke. Lesson: our God, whom we serve, is able to deliver us. Daniel 3:17. Because when you refuse to bow, God shows up. Subscribe for more powerful Bible stories told through AI visual.